Join me as I dive deep into the latest updates on D.V.M stock and see if I can make sense of what's really happening right now. D.V.M stock has been on many investors' radars lately, and for good reason. Its performance can give us a lot of insight into the current market trends and what might be coming up next. So, if you're invested in D.V.M or just curious about its trajectory, you're in the right place. One of the main challenges facing D.V.M stock right now is the overall market condition. We're seeing a lot of volatility, which can make it tough for stocks like D.V.M to gain steady ground. On top of that, investor sentiment has been mixed, with some people bullish about its potential and others staying cautious. There have also been some recent news stories that might be impacting its performance, for example, some concerns about supply chain disruptions and their potential effect on D.V.M's operations. These market conditions and investor sentiments aren't the only things at play here. D.V.M's recent financial reports have shown some promising signs, but there are definitely areas of concern. For instance, their revenue growth has been steady, but their profit margins have been a bit inconsistent. What experts are saying is that D.V.M needs to focus on stabilizing those margins if they want to see a significant stock price increase. Let's also consider some expert opinions on the stock. Some analysts believe that D.V.M has a lot of potential for growth, but they also mention that the current market conditions are a major hurdle. When it comes to recent trends, D.V.M stock has been on a bit of a roller coaster. Over the past few months, we've seen some significant fluctuations in its price. A lot of this can be attributed to the market's reaction to D.V.M's financial performance and external factors like economic indicators. But what's really interesting is how these trends might play out in the coming months. A key moment that could significantly affect D.V.M stock's trajectory is their upcoming earnings report. Investors will be keeping a close eye on how D.V.M performed financially and whether they can meet or exceed expectations. Regulatory decisions are also on the horizon, and these could either help or hinder D.V.M's progress. Recapping the main points, we've discussed the challenges D.V.M stock is facing, its recent trends, and some crucial upcoming events. The potential outcomes for D.V.M stock are varied, but one thing's for sure, it's going to be interesting to see how things play out. Investors should definitely keep an eye on those upcoming events and maybe adjust their strategies accordingly. If you've got thoughts on D.V.M stock or any other stocks you'd like to discuss, leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more insights on stock trends, be sure to check out my previous video where we dive into some other key players in the market.